Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Dipavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 6 o'clock. NSA Ajit Doval today visited downtown Srinagar, spending 2 hours there to review the ground situation. The Kashmir administration has eased some restrictions in the valley for Friday prayers today. Phone services and internet has been partially restored ahead of Eid. The government also said that passes will be issued to pilgrims returning from the Hajj to ease their passage. UN Security Council President refused to comment on Pakistan's letter regarding the abrogation of Article 370. The UN Chief Antonio Guterres invoked the Shimla Agreement between India and Pakistan and asked both to exercise restraint, while the US said it has not changed its Kashmir policy, which categorizes the matter as bilateral. Expelled BJP lawmaker Kuldeep Singh Sengar has been charged with rape under the POCSO Act in the Unnao rape case. He is accused of raping the Unnao survivor who is currently battling for life after suffering an accident. Charges have also been framed against Sengar's accomplice for kidnapping a minor girl. 9 districts of Kerala are now on red alert due to incessant rains. There is an orange alert in the rest of the state. All schools are shut for the day. The Kochi airport is closed and civil aircraft are operating from the Navy's INS Gadora. Meanwhile, a major landslide washed away several houses in Wayanad. At least 13,000 people have been shifted to relief camps so far. And day 4 of daily hearings in the Ayodhya land dispute case was underway in the Supreme Court. Senior advocate Rajiv Dhawan, appearing for one of the Muslim parties, objected to 5-day hearings, to which the court said it will consider giving him rest, but daily hearings will continue. Muslim stakeholders argued that the hearings should not be rushed through. National Film Awards were given away today. Kirti Suresh won the Best Actress for her role in Mahanadi. Ayushmann Khurrana and Vicky Kaushal shared the Best Actor award for Andhadhun and Uri, respectively, while Badhai Ho was adjudged the Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.